the best choice for ventilated facades. More resistant to fire, more resistant to impact, more resistant to scratches, more colors and designs, and sustainable. Panelex versus ACP Aluminium Composite Panel. Let's compare. The use of a combustible material in facades generates risks of high-speed flame spread, dripping or panel detachment. ACP melts, increasing the risk of accident. Panelex does not contribute to the spread of fire, allowing a longer reaction time in an emergency situation and lowering the cost of firefighting equipment. Panelex, more resistant to fire. Panelex, more resistant to impact. Panelex, more resistant to scratches. Choose from our wide range of color and designs. Panelex, more colors and designs. Panelex is a carbon-neutral emitter. ACP is a high-carbon emitter. Panelex is composed by 70% of renewable fibers. ACP composed by 0% renewable materials. Panelex captures carbon. ACP does not capture carbon. ACP generates a negative balance to the environment. Panelex provides a positive balance to the environment. Panelex is Lamitec.